Hello and welcome to Your Engineer YouTube channel. We are here presenting a course on HTML and CSS. This is lecture number 18, and in this lecture we are going to talk about text formatting. How to style your text or whatever you have written in your website using CSS. So let's begin. So to start, first I am going to use h1 tag and write something in my website. So let's say I am going to write welcome to Your Engineer. Now save it, and this is going to be appear on my website. So let's format this text. So to format the text I am going to use h1 selector. So in h1 selector I am going to use first color. Color is the basic text formatting if I want to change the color of some text. So let's change it to red, save it, and I can see that color has been changed to red. Now second text formatting is about justification, where you want, or alignment you can say. So where you want your text to be placed, will it be in left, will it be in center, will it be in right. So let's use text align, and text align I can go for center. If I go for center, you can see that text will be in center. If I go for right, text will be in right. Now I am going to give it left, and text will be get back to left. So this is the second text formatting. Now third text formatting is what if I want to change the space between two letters or space between two words, and I want to customize the text according to my way. So let's start with first letter spacing. Now letter spacing I can give anything like 10 pixel. So you can see the space between letter has been increased. Now second is word spacing. And let's give 50 pixel here to make it more visible to you. So we can see that space between two words also increased. So letter spacing and word spacing are another two properties that are used for text formatting. Now I am going to use some more thing like justification. What is justification? What is line left alignment? What is right alignment? But for that you need a paragraph. It can't be shown on one single line. So I am going to use paragraph tag, and here I am going to just paste something I have already copied. So let's see, this is my paragraph, and you can see the lines are not very justified, or you can see it not aligned as you used in Word and Excel and everything. So I am going to use a paragraph selector, and here I am going to align my text as text align as justify. Now save it. Now if you are creating a blog website or anything, justification always look good. If you see any newspaper or any magazine, you always say that your text will be always formatted in justify ways. Every line should be justified and aligned with each other. Now that's what justify do. Now let's do another thing called line height, and in line height I am going to use, let's say, 2.5. Now save it. You can see the line height means the space between two lines increase. That is what line height is. So these are all properties that you are going to use to format your text according to your desire and your preference. So that is all about text formatting. In next lecture we are going to talk about links. So stay tuned with us, like our video, comment on it, and share it, and subscribe to Your Engineer YouTube channel. Thank you very much.